Hello everyone. Today's lab activity will ask you to complete a data table. And here's an example of a data table. You have one, two, three, four, five trials. So you choose five different masses which does not exceed 200 kilograms. Your number six trial is the gift, but you do not know yet the mass of the gift. However, you still need to find out the time. So how can you find for the time? So let's begin with the first step. So for the first step, you're going to click on all the forces here, values, masses, speed, and the pause button here. So you have to get to your link here, click on this link, and when that happens, you can start now your simulation. So you have to click on uh, motion. You have to click on motion, not the net force. So you have to click on this, the one that says motion. Okay, step one, click on all the variables here, including the pause button. That is step one. Step two. For step two, we are going to set always the applied force to 200 newtons by dragging the bar here. So let's go and do it. So you're going to set it to 200 newtons. Okay, so sometimes it's a little bit difficult to make. Oh, there you go. It becomes 200 newtons now. Now you're ready to read the time. So step three, you're going to read the time when the red arm of the speed reader reaches the very last line here, which is going to indicate 40 meter per second. And as you do that, you're going to press the go button here together at the same time with the stopwatch of your cell phone. So you're going to make use of your cell phone. So that is step three. And so when you do that, you're going to record your result. And for example, if you made use of 50 kilograms, you might arrive at a time which is 10.23 seconds. And so round that off to a whole number, which will be 10 seconds. Next step. Step 4. You're going to click the orange button here in order to reset everything. And for example, I'm going to uh, click the button here for step 3 first. And then you will notice that the speed reader's arm is now moving. And once it reaches this last line, I will stop. Okay. And I will record now my result. Okay, so for you to go to second trial, you click on the orange button here, and then you can change your mass. Let's say I want to put 80 kilograms uh, and 40 kilograms. So that becomes now 120 kilograms. So I'll click again on the pause button here. I'll get ready with my cell phone, and one I have to adjust again here 200 newtons for the applied force before I start timing. So once I'm ready, I already set it up to 200 newtons, and now I'm ready to press the go button here together with my cell phone, the stopwatch of my cell phone. So trial 2 this time, for example. Ready, get set, go. And you will notice the red arm of the speed reader moving until it reaches the very last line to indicate 40 meter per second. And once it reaches the very last line here, what will I do? I'm going to press on my stopwatch stop and read the time. And for example, the time I was able to have was 28.15 seconds. Let's say, oh, this should be 120. I made just of 120 kilograms. All right. And now you are going to complete everything until the fifth trial. And for the gift, what you're going to do for the gift would be to simply refresh everything. Now, bring that one right there and look for the gift here. Where's the gift? It's covered here. The gift must be here. There you go. And you can now do the last step. That's make sure that you have pressed this one. All the forces, values, masses, speed reader were checked out, and then the pause button was um, clicked, and you adjusted again the applied force to 200 newtons by dragging the slide bar here. And then you get ready with your cell phone as you press the uh, go button here at the same time with the stopwatch of your cell phone, and then read the time once the red arm reaches the uh, very last line here that indicates 40 meter per second. And lastly, what you are going to do is to do the graph right here. Once you created the graph by using dots for every um, given points, you're now going to connect all the dots and then determine how heavy is the gift. So it is from the line graph that you will be able to determine the mass, the unknown mass of the gift. And don't forget to answer the question right below. That's it.